In this video, I am challenging myself to grow this $10 account to about $10,000 in just a week. In my mind, I am already confident because my strategy has a 99% win rate. This is the best market condition because I have not lost any trade for the last 3 weeks straight. And not just that, I have a sniper entry strategy with tight stop losses and professional exits. Watch to the end as I have something special to share with you today. Now let me start the challenge. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Trading Forex involves risk. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. Results shared are not guarantees of future performance. Always do your own research before making financial decisions. Okay guys, now this account is very small, so the best lots to use is 0.02. I need room for 40 pips drawdown, so I enter sell with only 2 positions. Now, my H4 bias is sell on gold. You see, gold has been selling from Monday, and today I expect the same trend continuation. So I choose to look for setups in line with this sell trend to target the lower wick down here. My setup is at this M5 time frame. I see a bearish trend line break just after price had touched the upper supply zone. But contrary to this, I still see a buy setup but ignored it. I cannot buy in a sell trend because I will be smoked, especially at this New York session. I will set this trade and wait for results. Now this is massive, guys. The biggest drop to hell. Gold buyers are now crying in their Zoom meetings. But who cares? Not me, and not even the market. I am here just watching a sniper entry and a one-way candle to profits. Not even a small pullback here. This is 250 pips drop, and my account is flipped 5 times. Let me book this money and look for another confirmation to sell once more. I have another sell setup on gold today. So this is what happened. Just after my previous trade yesterday, gold pulled back to the same entry zone today. During New York session, giving me this sell setup today. As you can see from the H4, gold is still in a bearish move. So this is the supply zone for my sells. Here, I see a double top structure. This is a very strong supply zone with a chance to push price to this lower level. I am using 0.1 lots first. If price drops, I will look for pullbacks, then add more layers to full margin this trade. Because this trade must win, I have no doubts in this one. Now this is a good response from my supply. Just see this drop, guys. I have another sell entry here. Gold has just made this structure break, and now I see a retest. This retest must produce a sharp entry because the original target is still down. Momentum is definitely going to come, so I choose to wait. Gold is dropping nicely today. My first and second entries have no drawdowns. This momentum is heavy, and currently I have another sell setup. Look at this structure here. This is a bearish flag pattern in action. This structure indicates a possible downward move with a very small drawdown. So that's the reason for my sells here. I will only close my trades when I see a bigger capital increase for this small account. I will step away from this and give it some time to play out. Now my first target is reached. I was 100% sure about this drop. I knew it would be a straight shoot to my first target. I am closing now because my goal is to quickly raise this account fast. Okay, it's a new day for more sell entries. You see, I will only look for sells. I cannot break my rules. Sells will work out because of this H4 overall trend. Price is below this trend line, and at this moment, you can clearly see that gold is rejecting very well from this supply zone, giving us a break and retest structure. This zone will definitely push gold to this safe exit levels. Then it might reverse or keep dropping. My entry is on this M5. I see this drop, a small consolidation, then a breakout to the downside. This is not my best setup. I am using a small lot of 0.35 lots, such that my account survives 80 pips drawdown. I will monitor price on my desktop trading view as I wait for the drop. There we go, guys. This is the drop I really wanted. My trades always win. This is free money. My wins are just a testament of my experience, hard work, and late-night struggles to master this skill. I am now at over $1,000, and it is still not the end of this week. Now, guys, I have very promising setup to sell gold right now. Remember, I am still bearish overall on gold, so I cannot buy gold this week. I am going in, full margin on this one. On this M15, you can quickly notice this selling structure here. This is a break and retest for a sell. And also, I see another break and retest here. I am slow to enter, but very sure about this one. Gold will drop down just like waterfall shortly.
Brother,
Wow! That's the drop, guys. Just see my entry. Just as I said, gold is selling all the way. My account is doubled and I am exiting right now. Just after closing my last trade, gold pulled back to my zone. And here I see a very solid full margin setup. I am now scaling in and already price is dropping. So the original target is 32.47 area. My nearest target is 32.70. And looking at this chart behavior, a massive drop is coming in just a few. Gold has broken the last demand zone, showing a confirmation to keep dropping. This retest is now the final confirmation, and just as I entered, I immediately see profits running. Now I am going to ride this selling trend to TP when I see more breaks and retest. Now this is the retest, guys. More confirmation to sell with big lots. I already know where gold wants to go. This behavior is very obvious. Now, it's a sell, guys. It's a sell. Just look at it. Drop now. I am already full margin. It's going to be a big one for sure. Boom! The target is reached in just 13 minutes, guys. I told you this, guys. Nothing will beat experience plus confidence in your own setups. My account is now at over $10,000 instantly. I was about to stop this challenge, but wait. Gold just pulled back to the same zone. Again. This is the same setup. Just like before, and the same zone again. I will jump in and take advantage of this repetitive behavior this London session. Still the same target because I know gold must keep dropping past my target. Just see how gold is dropping. This is not a joke, guys. Gold has a target to achieve today. I am full margin on this one with 100% confidence. This one took only 8 minutes to break this structure. And now another pullback. This is another opportunity for a sharp entry, guys. I am scaling in quickly before it leaves me wondering. I am going full margin on this retest once more. I am closing now, guys. My account will be at risk if I hold too much at this demand zone. It is safe to exit and wait for another retest. At this point, gold is joking too much. Just look at this clean retest again. This is a full margin setup again. Same zone, same setup, same strategy. Just look at this M5. Our zone is clearly visible. Gold is back to a sniper zone, and I am already full margin on this one. For a moment, I was scared, guys, but now it's over. No more over-trading, guys. I am done for this challenge. I only need step away from the charts completely. No need to prove to anyone my limits. Now I will end this challenge with 70,000 profits. That's all for this video, guys. Learn and apply. Then we shall do another challenge next week. Subscribe now and see you in the next video.